Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Reality Consult. Today we will learn how to download digital elevation models from United States Geological Survey's USGS website and produce contours using ArcMap 10.7.1. So let's get started. Open your Google Chrome browser or any kind of browser. Type USGS Earth Explorer. Click on enter. Earth Explorer Home USGS. Click on it. This is the interface of USGS website. This is places register for people who has no account with USGS, and this login for people who already open an account with them. So if you don't have an account with USGS, kindly click on register and fill some basic information in the message and click send. A verification message will be sent to your email for you to verify the account before it can be used. So for me, I already have an account with USGS, so log in. This is my address, wslf@gmail.com, and this is my password. Sign in. Okay, I've already signed into the system. So for here, US features, click on wall features, click on the area of interest. I'm interested in Quapim show. Click on this. This is zoom in. This is the area of interest. Click inside the area to create the boundary of the study area. So these are movable. You can move them in and out, move them, you can move, and when you are satisfied with the area, you can come to here, search from, you can put the date where the specific date in which you want to get the data covering those areas. For me, I'm searching for all months, so this is additional criteria. So let's go to data sets. When you come to data set, there are several data sets that are available, but you come to digital elevation. This is the digital elevation. Come to SRTM. Click on SRTM. Click on the first one. SRTM 1 arc second global. You can click on additional criteria if you want. Then click on results. These are the results that has been. These are the results that has been given for the area of interest. So show footprint, click on it. It does not cover the whole area. Click on the second one, which has covered the whole area now. So what mostly we do is that you can download both areas and then you must mosaic them to be one larger area. So we'll show There's an overlay. Show browse overlay. So we can download both images. If you want to download them, these are digital elevation models. You can just click on this download options, click on download geotech 1 arc second 24.8 megabyte, click on it. Also click on this. Just click on download. Our data is being downloaded, but I have already downloaded the data into my PC. So at this point, I will cancel the downloads. Cancel. And then close the browser. So now let's open our ArcMap. Click on new maps, click on black map, click on OK. Go to catalog window. Let's navigate to our digital elevation data. This is the N05W0021 at vein 3. It's in TIFF. So drag it. This is the digital elevation of the area that we have downloaded around Aquatim. So let's change the symbology. Properties. You can go to classify, and then let's use more brighter colors. Apply. That is it. So now let's perform our contours on the digital elevation model. So come to Arc Toolbox, go to 3D Analyze Tools, look for raster surface, the contours, click on this, contour interval, let's make it 100, contour type, you can leave the rest at the default, click OK. contour has been added. These are the contours of the area. The area. So let's show labels. Label features. Let's go to properties, come to symbology, to categories, make this contour. Okay. Properties. This. This is basically how to generate contours by using digital elevation model, that's SRTM data for United States Geological Service. Thank you very much for watching this video.